How to add YouTube link in Snapchat story. In this video, you will learn how to add YouTube link on your Snapchat story. Now open YouTube. After you open YouTube like this, now go ahead now and copy the link you want to add. So for me, I'll just go ahead and copy a video. Open the YouTube like this now. After you open the YouTube, go and copy the link of the video. I'll copy this one, tap on this three dot. So tap on this share, copy link. Now I copy the link of the video. So now all you have to do now, go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open the Snapchat app now, go ahead now and upload a story from this section, or just take a picture from this story. So I'll just go ahead now and just take a picture of a story like this. So now here is my story. If I want to add the link, all I have to do now, just tap on this section. As you can see now, tap on this little icon. So now paste in your link in this section. After you paste in your link in this section, now tap on this search. Now allow it to finish searching. So from there, now tap on this attach to Snap. So now here is the video I copy. So all you have to do now, tap on this share. Now it's sending my story. Now my story has added. If you want to view your story, now tap on your profile like this. After you open your profile, go to my story. So from there, here is the YouTube video. Now if I tap on this link, it will take me to YouTube. That's it guys on how to add YouTube link in Snapchat story. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.